SEVENSTAX Embedded Technologies.
Hello everybody and welcome to a short introduction video for SEVENSTAX GreenShark. GreenShark is a powerful tool for all developers of electric vehicle communication controllers and supply equipment communication controllers. It allows you to analyze what's going on the control pilot. GreenShark comes as a plugin for the well-known Wireshark protocol dissector, enabling it to decode ISO 15118 and DIN 7121 traffic into human-readable form. Furthermore, it features the graphical visualization of the most relevant charging parameters in real time. So let's have a look. In this case, we are opening a packet capture file with historical data. Beside this, you are of course able to view a charging session in real time. Let's filter for vehicle-to-grid transport protocol messages. V2G TP is the envelope for all V2G specific messages. By the way, here we can see a charging session between an Audi e-tron charged with an EFASEC HV175 DC charger. So let's have a more detailed look into this conversation. Please keep in mind, requests are performed from the EV to the EVSE and responses vice versa. At first, we can see the so-called SDP or SECCDP request. SECCDP stands for Supply Equipment Communication Controller Discovery Protocol. This little subprotocol is used by the vehicle to get the IP address of the charging station for the later TCP connect. The request is performed as multicast. We can see here that the destination IP address is a multicast IPv6 address. If we open the response message, we can see that the EVSE tells his IPv6 address. After the TCP connection is established, the supported application protocol messages are exchanged. If we dive into this request, we see that the e-tron supports both DIN 7121 scheme with ID number 1 and ISO 15118 scheme with ID number 0. If we open the corresponding response, we see that scheme 1, so DIN 7121, is selected by the charger. At last, let's open a charge parameter discovery request. Here we can find, for instance, the voltage and the current limits the EV is sending to the charger. But dealing with voltages and currents is more convenient when they are visualized. Thus, GreenShark supports the graphical visualization of such parameters. In the actually shown window, the different graphs GreenShark is able to draw are shown. These are the EV's target voltage and current, the EVSE present voltage and current, as well as the state of charge and the bulk charge complete indication, which jumps to 100% after the bulk charge phase has been completed. If tracing a session in real time, the graphs will be built up in real time too. If opening a trace like we do at the moment, the graphs are drawn during the dissection process of all packets. We can select between faster drawing and user interface responsiveness here in the bottom right corner. And I prefer the dark mode, so let's switch to it. If we switch to inspect mode, we can point with the mouse to a specific part of the graph and get the precise values. The window showing the values can of course be moved so it does not overlap the graphs. If you like the video, please feel free to press the like button. If you have any feedback or ideas for future features, let us know by leaving a comment. And if you want to be informed about future SEVENSTAX products, just subscribe to our channel.